Has this ever happened to you when trying to transfer videos and photos from your Apple iPhone to your Windows PC? Yeah, same with me. And sometimes it does it perfectly, and sometimes you get this. Well, in this video, I am going to show you a quicker and easier solution that works every time. Now, the way that I've found that works every time is to use the Photos app within Windows 10. So just type in Photos down here and you'll find the Photos app. Quickly open it. And then you can go to Import. Now you can import from a connected device. So that will be, it will then search for the iPhone that's connected. And once it's found your device, it will list all of the photos there in or date of order. Now you can choose how you want to select, of course, and you can choose here where you want to import it to. So you can change the destination. So I'm going to change it to import it here to the video folder that I've created. Add folders to this. Now you see it's changed now, so that's where it's going to import. So once you've selected your destination to import the photos to, you can come down here and select either the whole month's worth. You've got some custom selects up here, or if you just want to select, like I do, specific videos and photos, then you can do it this way, just by ticking individually. I'm going to import a bunch of videos from my recent trip to photograph bears. So you can do it click one at a time, of course, which is, if you've got a lot, you simply select the first one, scroll down to the bottom if they're all in a row, and hold down the shift key to select all. And if in this case, like it's selected one I don't want, I can just deselect that one. Now I've got all of the videos and photos that I want to import selected, and now I just simply make sure you don't have this checked unless you want to delete the originals off your phone. So make sure that's unchecked, that's very important. And then simply click import, and now it will work away and very quickly and efficiently import all of those photos onto your Windows machine and into the folder of your choosing. Now you can see they're already shown here as being imported, and if I go to the folder where I've selected to import them, they are all there now. Easily done, error-free. Okay, so I hope you found that useful. It certainly helped me a lot, and if you did, please give this video a like. If you're not a subscriber, then please subscribe and check out some of my other videos. Okay, so thanks for watching, and bye-bye.